That's the South Kihei Road front door entrance, and that's where the office is. Come up these stairs, and then right at the top of the stairs is the half bath. This is the living room and the dining room. It's a really spacious kitchen. And then right off the laundry room, you've got a door and then a slider here to the lanai. This would be the view off the lanai. We're just 2 doors down, so we have the same view. Nice mountains and the beautiful landscape. This is all the commercial parking right here. There's more over there. This looks like new vinyl flooring. This is the view out the window. And the beach is at the end of this block. You just walk across the street and it's 1 block to the beach. This is new carpet. And the paint's in pretty good condition as well. It looks freshly painted. Little ocean view above the buildings there. So the wall that touches the other bedroom would be the bathroom wall. So you do have privacy in the bedrooms. And both of the bedrooms are en suite. And so the connecting wall is from the bathroom to the other bathroom. This room would be the second bedroom because it has a smaller closet. You do have split ACs in both of the bedrooms. Again, here's the closets. When I first moved to Kailani, I thought these stairs would bother me, but I did very quickly adapt. And I just consider it part of my fitness program. Some of them have divider walls, but this one's cabin. And this downstairs office space is 500 square feet. And there's also storage under the stairs. And that's where the water shut off is.